guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you a quick fix to your gray hair. So if you do have gray hair and you actually haven't had the time to dye the whole hair and you need to cover bits and pieces around the front or sometimes at the back, this is a good quick fix that you can just apply before you go out, and it does a very good job. So all you need is your coconut oil. So I prefer to use organic cold pressed coconut oil, and you need some aloe vera gel. So if you have fresh aloe vera, you can use fresh aloe vera, or you can use this type short but it's 99.9% organic aloe vera gel. And then you need some lavender essential oil. This is optional, but I prefer to use lavender essential oil in my hair mascara. And then you need some activated charcoal. So if you're making black mascara, you use activated black charcoal. This is not the same charcoal as the one you use for your barbecue. This is different. I bought this from Amazon. And if you want a brown hair, you can use cocoa powder, and if it's red, you can use beetroot powder. So you also need a saucepan, a small saucepan, and some beeswax. Some beeswax pellets. Yes, beeswax pellets. Okay, so you need your stove as well. So I'm gonna use my electric cooker. So coconut oil is very good for the hair. It's quite nourishing for the hair. So you need 2 teaspoons of your coconut oil. Like I said, I use organic cold pressed coconut oil. And then you need 4 teaspoons of your aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is quite good. It helps the mixture from getting too oily. So you need 4 teaspoons of your aloe vera gel. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And your beeswax pellets, you need about half to 1 teaspoon, depending on where you live. If you live in a very hot area, because coconut oil actually melts at 75 degrees, so you need I will advise to use about 1 teaspoon of your beeswax pellets. But if you live in somewhere that is not really cold, and it wouldn't melt that quickly, you can use about half to 3/4 of a teaspoon. So it's summer here now, so I'm gonna use about 3/4 of a teaspoon. So yeah, this helps the mascara to be waterproof and holds it together. So 3/4 of a teaspoon of my beeswax pellets, and I'm just gonna turn the heat down really low, and then put this on the stove and stir as it melts. So low heat and stir as everything melts together. Actually, I'm going to use a wooden spoon. Like I said, it has to be low heat so it doesn't burn, and then melt everything together. So the beeswax will maintain the thickness, and then it makes the hair mascara waterproof as well. See, it's beginning to melt now. just keep stirring so it doesn't burn, it doesn't stick to the saucepan. The beeswax just takes a little bit of time to melt fully. Okay, so I think my beeswax is fully melted now. You can see the beeswax pellet has melted completely. So I'm going to add my activated black charcoal because I want black hair mascara. So I'm going to use half teaspoon of my activated black charcoal. Like I said, this is different from the charcoal you use for barbecue. So half teaspoon of activated charcoal. And then I'm going to add my essential oil, my lavender. I love to use lavender essential oil. This is optional though. You don't have to use it. 2, 3, 4. So I've used 4 drops of my lavender essential oil. And I'm just going to mix everything together properly. So like this is it's good because you know what you've got in there, you know what you're applying to your hair. You know there's no chemicals that like you have in the ones you buy from the shop, and you can adjust the ingredients to your own taste. And that's it. So that's my hair mascara done. So I'm just going to leave it to cool down a bit, and I'm going to put it in this glass jar. You can use an old mascara container, but it's a bit difficult to put this in an old mascara container, so I will just put it in here in a glass jar. And you need a spooley or one of these old mascara applicators to apply it to your hair when you need it. So this is my final product. So I'm gonna put it in the glass jar. I'm gonna let it cool down a bit though, so the jar doesn't break. It smells really nice because of the lavender essential oil. But like I said, you don't have to use the essential oil. And you need to remember that your mascara, you can't keep it for too long because of bacteria. And when you're using it, try and clean your applicator once you've used it before dipping it into the mascara again. And if you notice any change in the smell of your mascara, you know you need to discard it and make another one. So I wouldn't advise to keep this for more than 6 months maximum. So if you don't need it that much, then you just reduce the amount you make at a time. So you should just reduce the ingredients. You can use this as well as your for your eyelashes. It's good for your eyelashes as well. So I'm just gonna, you just put your spoolie in there. You need a very small amount, and I have a little bit of gray hair here, so I'm just gonna apply a bit to it, and I'm ready to go. That's it. So that's it. That's the end product. That's the your hair mascara. You can use this for your eyelashes, you can use it for your hair. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave your comments and your questions below, and I shall see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.